Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to clean all cache and temp and junk files in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu or search bar and type %temp and hit enter. In this folder, select all files and right click and select delete as administrator. Click on continue and supreme. This folder is empty. It is very fine for your system. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.